The Hilti VC75-1A22 dry vacuum cleaner is a cordless portable silica solution for job site cleanup. It is the only OSHA 1926.1153 Table 1 compliant vacuum in its class. An onboard manual filter cleaner helps bump away fine particles to increase the filter's usable lifetime. Plus, using a bag to contain debris helps limit exposure to harmful silica dust. At just 9 pounds, the vacuum cleaner can be easily carried by the handle or strap. Cleaning hard-to-reach areas is simpler, with more than 10 feet of expandable hose and power from Hilti's 22-volt battery platform. The vacuum also comes with 2 additional nozzle attachments and can be used in power-saving eco mode or max mode for the most suction, 75 CFM. Every VC75 comes backed by Hilti's 22-in-1 tool warranty. We're here to help you. Visit us online or contact us for more information.